In this video, I want to show you how to create KML file in ArcGIS and open it in Google Earth Pro. This is very important, especially when you want to do accuracy assessment or validation. So let's go to ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, let me add a shapefile and use it to demonstrate this exercise. To do that, click on Add Data and let me use this vegetation 2. Select it and click on Add. Yes, I have this data, which is a shapefile and a polygon. Now, if I right click and open the attributes table, here I can see the Greek code, which represent different land classes. For example, after classifying your image for different land use land cover and you want to do accuracy assessment, it is easier to convert it to KML file and open it in Pro and do verification. That is if you cannot go to the field for ground truthing. Now to do that, let's design the way we want it to appear on Google Earth. So for that, I want to categorize each of the class using the Greek code. I'll just right click the layer and go to properties. When it opens, instead of single symbol, click on categories, and I want to categorize using the Greek code. I will click on add all values and check this. Then I can give the specific color or the preferred color as I want it to appear. So for example, this 2 I can leave it at blue. Then this 4, let me choose another color for it. For example, let me choose this pink. Click on OK. Then this 11, I want it to be red. So I'll choose this mass red and click on OK. So after I've given the specific color or preferred color for each of the class, I can click on OK. So this is my features. So if I zoom in, I can see them clearly, and this is how it will appear when I open it in Google Earth Pro. Now after you have designed the way you want your data to be, you can now convert it to KML. And to do that, come to Arc Toolbox, come to Conversion Tools, then come to KML. Then you can see two options here, Layer to KML and Map to KML. We are going with the first option, Layer to KML. Then this layer, choose your layer you want to convert, which is vegetation in this case. Then the output file, let me just put it here and name it as, let me give it any name, KML for instance. Then click on Save and click on OK. So this will take few seconds to convert it to KML. Yes, the conversion to KML is successful. Now let's go to the folder where we save it. I save it in this demo folder, and here is it as KML. Then the next thing now is to open it in Google Earth Pro. Two ways to do that. You can just double click it and it will launch Google Earth Pro. Alternatively, you can open Google Earth Pro and import it into Google Earth Pro. So let's just double click it to launch Google Earth Pro. Immediately you double click it, it will launch Google Earth Pro. Then it will zoom to that very location where it belongs. Yes, you can see this is exactly my data. I can uncheck this. Yes, if you zoom in, you can see it clearly. Now let's go to this layer. If I expand it and expand this again, you can see each of the class or feature being display here. So if I click on, for example, this 27, it will show me where it belongs and quickly display the attributes of that very particular polygon. I can move down and click on any other one, it will show me where it belongs. Like this one, this is it. If I scroll down, I can click on this and it will display the information about it here. Then if I scroll down, because there are many features, and click on this, it will show me where it is and the attributes will be displayed as a table here. Now, if you look at it, if you are using it for accuracy assessment, for example, you can, for example, if I uncheck this, you can see the information here. From here, you'll be able to assess if your classification is correct or not. However, this is how to create a KML file in ArcGIS and open it in Google Earth Pro. Good day everyone, this is GIS Solution Tutorial channel. In this channel, we produce tutorial on GIS software and also on some tutorial that are of very use on how to use some gadgets. I thank you all for your support so far. You have been a kind of support to us, encouraging us to move forward. This channel membership we just created is another avenue for you to support us. I implore you to support us by joining our channel membership. Joining our channel membership, you have access to member-only videos. There are some videos that will be strictly for members only. Supporting us through your membership, we will really appreciate it. I welcome you all on board to GIS Solution channel membership. Thank you for your support. Thank you for joining us. Joining us will support us to do more quality video, to get more gadgets, to produce more quality video. Thank you for supporting us.